No.
But she's eating cereal.
I will throw this cactus at you.
It's a cactus.
Yep. It's a pokey cactus too.
Can I name it Bob?
Sure.
Hi,
no,
Bob.
his name is Frank.
Okay, yeah. That's very cool. That's me.
Whatever. Oh, and I'm eating Rice Krispies. What?
Yes.
That was obnoxious.
Ew, I just snorted. You will see. Tell Skylar what kind of cereal you are eating.
Rice Krispies.
That is the correct answer. No.
Yeah.
Yucky snow.
Actually, my grill is right there. But that's my backyard.
Yep. My whole backyard.
Well, I guess you'll see the video. So,
Blah!
God.